The Ganga river system is also known as the Ganges river system, an extensive and intricate network of rivers, tributaries, distributaries, and wetlands covering multiple states in northern India and parts of Bangladesh. The Ganga river is already considered sacred in Hinduism and holds immense religious importance. It is one of the most significant river systems in the world, supporting a vast population and influencing the cultural, religious, and economic landscape of the region. The Ganga originates in the Himalayas and flows through the fertile Indo-Gangetic plain, eventually drains into the Bay of Bengal, forming the Ganges-Brahmaputra Delta, one of the largest river deltas in the world. Ganga River System. The Ganga River is one of the major rivers of the Himalayan drainage system and the most sacred river in India. Flowing through northern and eastern India, it forms the largest river basin of the country, supporting diverse flora, fauna, and human settlements. Key facts include it stretches over 2,500 km, making it one of Asia's longest rivers. It forms a complex network of Himalayan and peninsular tributaries. It sustains numerous cities, farmlands, and industries across its basin. It holds immense spiritual significance in Hindu tradition, rituals, and pilgrimage. Ganga River System Origin. The Ganga originates as the Bhagirathi River from the Gangotri Glacier at Gomukh in Uttarakhand at an elevation of 3,892 meters. After merging with the Laknanda River at Devprayag, the stream is officially named Ganga. Flowing for nearly 2,525 km, the Ganga passes through the states of Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, and West Bengal, touching the lives of millions. It forms one of the world's most densely populated basins, accounting for 26.4% of India's geographical area and supporting nearly 50% of India's population. Origin: Gomukh, Gangotri Glacier, Uttarakhand. Source: stream Bhagirathi. Total length 2,525 km. Major states: Uttarakhand, UP, Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal. Final drainage: Bay of Bengal. Ganga River System Map. The Ganga River System is the largest and most sacred river network in India, playing a central role in the country's cultural, spiritual, and ecological landscape. A Ganga River System Map illustrates the origin, major tributaries, and extensive drainage basin of the Ganga River, which spans multiple states across northern and eastern India before emptying into the Bay of Bengal. Courses of the Ganga River System. The course of Ganga can be divided into three major sections: upper course, middle course, and lower course, shaped by Himalayan terrain, alluvial plains, and deltaic regions. Upper course, Himalayan region. This part featured steep gradients, rapids, and narrow gorges. Bhagirathi meets Alaknanda and Devprayag river named Ganga. Enter plains at Haridwar. Barrages at Haridwar, Bijnor, and Narora divert water to upper, Madhya, and lower Ganga canals. Middle course, Indo-Gangetic plains. From Haridwar to Bihar, the river becomes wider and supports dense agricultural activity, joined by major tributaries Ramganga, Yamuna, Gomti, Ghagra, Gandak, Kosi. Plains provide extremely fertile alluvial soil. River meanders widely due to low gradient. Lower course, Bengal region. The river slows down and splits into these tributaries, forming the world's largest delta. Farakka barrage regulates flow. Ganga splits into Bhagirathi, Hooghly right, and Padma left. Padma enters Bangladesh and joins Brahmaputra and Meghna. Dense mangrove forest, Sundarbans formed by tidal influence. Ganga River System tributaries. The Ganga River System is fed by various tributaries and sub-tributaries, which are categorized into right bank and left bank tributaries depending on their position relative to the main source, the Ganga. Ganga River System right bank tributaries. The Ganga River System is one of the most extensive and sacred river systems in India. It originates from the Gangotri Glacier in Uttarakhand and flows through the northern plains, nourishing millions of lives. The river receives several right bank tributaries, mainly from the southern side of its flow. The major right bank tributaries joining the Ganga River include Yamuna River, Tons Tamsa River, San Son River, Panpan River, Chandan River, Falgu, Niranjana River, Kiul River, Karamnasa River. Yamuna River. The Jamuna is the largest and most important right bank tributary of the Ganga. It originates from the Yamunotri Glacier in Uttarakhand and flows through major urban and agricultural centers. Originates at 6,387 meters in the Himalayas, passes through Haryana, Delhi and Uttar Pradesh. Major tributaries Chambal, Betwa, Ken, Hindon. Joins the Ganga at Allahabad, Prayagraj at the Triveni Sangam. Importance: essential for irrigation in the Jamuna Ganga Doab, provides water to Delhi and surrounding regions associated with ancient Indian civilization and heritage. Tamsa River. The Trans River is an important right bank tributary flowing through central India. Originates in the Kaimur range, Madhya Pradesh, known for waterfalls like the Chachai Falls. Flow through Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. Importance: support local irrigation and agriculture. Carries seasonal monsoon flows essential for eastern UP plains. Son River. The Son River is a major right bank tributary with a large basin area. Originates from Amarkantak Plateau, Madhya Pradesh. Longest right bank tributary after the Jamuna. Flows through MP, UP, Jharkhand, Bihar. Known for the Indrapuri barrage in Bihar. Importance: major irrigation projects for Bihar and UP. Alluvial plains formed by the river are agriculturally fertile. Panpan River. The Panpan River flows parallel to the Ganga and drains eastern Bihar. Originates in Palamu Hills of Jharkhand. Flows through Gaya, Patna. Joins the Ganga near Fatua in Bihar. Importance: crucial for local farming in Bihar's plain. Religious mention in the Purans as a sacred river. Chandan River. The small right bank tributary located in Bihar and Jharkhand. Originates in Jharkhand's hills, flows into Bihar's plain and merges with the Ganga. Importance: supports agriculture and groundwater recharge. Plays a role in small-scale irrigation. Falgu Niranjana River. The Falgu River is historically significant due to its association with Bodh Gaya. Formed by merging of Niranjana and Mohana rivers. Flows through Gaya in Bihar. Eventually drains into the Panpan River. Importance: considered sacred by Hindus and Buddhists. Important for religious rituals in Gaya, Pindadan. Ganga River System left bank tributaries. The Ganga River System, one of the largest in the world, received numerous tributaries that joined it from the northern Himalayan side. These are known as the left bank tributaries. They originate mainly in the Himalayas, making them perennial rivers with high discharge, rich sediment and strong ecological influence. The major left bank tributaries of the Ganga include Ram Ganga River, Gomti River, Ghagra River, Gandak River, Kosi River, Mahananda River. Ram Ganga River. The Ram Ganga River originates in the Dudhatoli range of Uttarakhand and flows through the Jim Corbett National Park before entering the plain. It contributes significantly to irrigation and water supply in western Uttar Pradesh. The river joins the Ganga near Kannauj, increasing its discharge. Origin: Dudhatoli Hills, Uttarakhand. Passes through Corbett National Park. Joins Ganga near Kannauj. Gomti River. The Gomti River originates from Gomat Tal in Pilibhit and flows entirely through the plains of Uttar Pradesh. It passes through major cities like Lucknow and Sultanpur, serving as an important water source. The river meets the Ganga at Gazipur. Origin: Gomat Tal, Pilibhit, UP. Major cities Lucknow, Sultanpur, Jaunpur. Gandak River. The Gandak River originates in the Himalayas of Nepal from the Nuveen Himal Glacier. It flows southward through deep valleys and brings nutrient-rich alluvium to Bihar. The river meets the Ganga near Patna. Origin: Nuveen Himal Glacier, Nepal, known as Kali Gandaki Narayani in Nepal. Joins Ganga near Patna. Kosi River. The Kosi River originates in Tibet and enters India after flowing through eastern Nepal, known as the Sorrow of Bihar. It frequently shifts its course due to heavy sediment load. The river merges with the Ganga at Kursela in Bihar. Origin: Tibet Saptkosi system. Causes widespread floods in Bihar. Joins Ganga at Kursela. Mahananda River. The Mahananda River rises in the Darjeeling Hills and flows through Bihar and West Bengal before entering Bangladesh. It is the easternmost major tributary of the Ganga and influences the hydrology of North Bengal. The river finally joins the Ganga near Godavari. Origin: Darjeeling Hills, West Bengal, flows through Bihar and North Bengal, joins Ganga near Godavari, Bangladesh. Ganga River System cities. The Ganga River flows through several historically, culturally, and economically significant cities in India. These cities have flourished along the river due to fertile lands, trade routes, and religious importance. Many of them, like Haridwar, Varanasi, and Kolkata, serve as major pilgrimage destinations and urban centers. Here is the list of major cities located on the bank of Ganga River. Srinagar, Uttarakhand, known for its ancient temples and scenic Himalayan surrounding. Rishikesh, Uttarakhand, global hub of yoga and spirituality, gateway to the Himalayas. Haridwar, Uttarakhand, one of the holiest Hindu cities, site of Kumbh Mela and ritual bathing ghats. Roorkee, Uttarakhand, known for IIT Roorkee and colonial era canal systems. Bijnor, Uttar Pradesh, a significant agriculture and sugarcane belt along the Ganga. Narora, Uttar Pradesh, home to Narora Atomic Power Station and Ganga Barrage. Kannauj, Uttar Pradesh, famous for attar perfume, ancient trade center on Ganga banks. Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh, major industrial city known for leather, textile and IIT Kanpur. Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh, site of the Triveni Sangam, hosts the world famous Kumbh Mela. Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh, one of the world's oldest city, a major cultural, spiritual and educational hub. Mirzapur, Uttar Pradesh, known for carpet handicrafts and its scenic ghats. Patna, Bihar, one of the India's oldest continuously inhabited city, political and cultural hub. Bhagalpur, Bihar, known for silk production and Vikramshila ruins. Berhampur, West Bengal, important town in Murshidabad district along the river. Serampur, West Bengal, known for colonial heritage and educational institution. Howrah, West Bengal, industrial hub connected to Kolkata by iconic Howrah Bridge. Kolkata, West Bengal, major metropolitan city, cultural capital of India and major port city on the Hooghly. Ganga distributary dams on the Ganga river system. The Ganga river system contains several major dams and barrages that play a vital role in hydropower generation, irrigation, flood control and water management across northern India. These structures support agriculture, drinking water supply and regional development in Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and adjoining states. Ganga Brahmaputra Delta. Before merging into the Bay of Bengal, the Ganga and Brahmaputra together form the world's largest delta situated between the Bhagirathi, Hooghly and the Padma Meghna rivers. The coastline of this delta features a highly indented and complex landscape comprising a network of tributaries and islands. The region is covered by dense mangrove forest. A significant portion of the Ganga Brahmaputra delta consists of low-lying swamps that frequently cause flooding by seawater during high tides. Government initiatives for cleaning the Ganga River. The Ganga River is not only vital for India's ecology and economy but also holds immense cultural and spiritual significance. Over the years, pollution from industrial, domestic and agricultural sources has severely impacted its water quality. To restore and maintain the health of the river, the Government of India has launched several initiatives aimed at cleaning, conserving and rejuvenating the Ganga River and its tributaries. Namami Gange Program 2014. Launched in 2014 by Ministry of Jal Shakti. Objectives: sewage treatment, riverfront development, industrial effluent control, afforestation along river banks, integrated mission with a budget of over 20,000 crore for cleaning the Ganga and its tributaries. Ganga Action Plan Gap 1 and 2. Gap 1 1986-2000, first major effort to control pollution in major cities along the Ganga. Gap 2 1993-2000, focused on additional towns and river stretches. Key measures include sewage treatment plants, public awareness campaigns and industrial waste control. National Ganga River Basin Authority, established in 2009 under the Ministry of Environment and Forest. Objective: coordinated management and pollution control of the Ganga Basin, responsible for implementing policies and monitoring water quality across multiple states. River surface cleaning initiatives, deployment of floating trash skimmers and manual cleaning drives, focus on plastic, industrial debris and solid waste removal from river banks and ghats. Forestation and biodiversity programs, plantation of trees along river bank to reduce soil erosion, protection of aquatic species like the Ganges, river dolphin and gharial. Economic importance of the Ganga river system. The Ganga River is one of India's most economically significant river supporting agriculture, industry, fisheries, tourism, and inland navigation. Its fertile plains, abundant water supply, and navigable stretches make it a backbone for regional livelihoods and contribute sustainability to the national economy. The Ganga River supports irrigation across Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, and West Bengal, enabling cultivation of rice, wheat, sugarcane, and other crops. Its fertile alluvial plains contribute to high agricultural productivity and food security in northern India. The river provides habitat for freshwater fish and supports livelihoods of fishermen along its banks. It supplies water for industry in cities like Kanpur, Varanasi, and Kolkata, including textile, leather, paper, and chemical sectors. Navigable stretches of the Ganga form part of National Waterway 1, facilitating transport of goods like coal, cement, and food grains, pilgrimage, and tourism along the river, including sites like Haridwar, Varanasi, and Prayagraj, contribute significantly to local and regional economies. Hydropower projects like Tehri Dam and Maneri Bhali generate electricity, support irrigation, and control floods in multiple states. Silt and gravel extracted from the Ganga are used in construction, supporting local economies.